Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stream Amazon Prime on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your Google Chrome and search for primevideo.com. If you are a member of Prime Video, then you have to press and sign in, or you can start with your free trial. Then you have to minimize it. Then go to your Zoom app. Press on New Meeting. Now press this share option. Now select your Amazon Prime. Then click on share. So this is how to stream Amazon Prime on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.